Your mortgage term is up for renewal. Your lender has sent you a letter in the mail with a take it or leave it rate. And now you're wondering, is this really the best option for me? You're busy and you don't want to spend too much time figuring this out, so you inevitably end up re-signing at whatever rate the lender tells you is best. And honestly, this is exactly what lenders rely on to make money. But that's a terrible way to approach your mortgage renewal. You're leaving thousands of dollars in the bank's pockets instead of your own. The reality is your lender isn't going to help you save money. So today, I want to show you a simple but powerful mortgage renewal strategy that almost no one is using yet, and it has the potential to save you thousands of dollars. This strategy lets you lock in a secured rate while keeping the door open to lower rates if they drop. It's called the Cascade Mortgage Strategy, and it's the renewal strategy that banks won't tell you about because it doesn't benefit them. But by the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly how it works and how you can use it on your next mortgage renewal.
This is the Saskatchewan Real Estate Podcast.
Hey there, and welcome to the Saskatchewan Real Estate Podcast. This episode is brought to you by Petro Skierchuk with Realty Executives in Saskatoon. I'm your host, Ronald Quaroni. I'm a licensed mortgage broker in both Alberta and Saskatchewan, and I love sharing real estate information with a prairie flavor. If you love real estate content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get into today's episode. 2025 is going to be a huge year for mortgage renewals in Canada. According to the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, 1.2 million mortgages are set to renew in 2025. And here's the kicker. 85% of those mortgages were originally contracted when the Bank of Canada's rate was at or below 1%. This means that so many homeowners are about to see significantly higher interest rates. The Bank of Canada also reports that about 60% of the outstanding mortgages will renew by the end of 2026, with nearly 40% of all mortgages expected to face higher rates. This wave of renewals presents a serious financial challenge for Canadian homeowners. Right now, picking the right mortgage rate feels kind of like a lose-lose situation. Fixed rates offer certainty but are still much higher than what we've seen in recent years. Variable rates offer potential savings if rates drop, but they also carry risk. If inflation spikes, the Bank of Canada could be forced to raise rates again, putting variable rate borrowers in a tough spot. So what do you do? What if there was a way to lock in stability while still keeping the flexibility to take advantage of lower rates if they come? That's exactly what the Cascade Mortgage Strategy is designed to do. How the Cascade Mortgage Strategy works. The Cascade Mortgage Strategy is about actively managing your mortgage, not just accepting whatever your lender offers. Here's how it works. Number one, renew into a fixed rate mortgage. This gives you security, protecting you from rising rates. Number two, ensure you have a home equity line of credit. This is the key. Not all lenders allow this, and your current bank might not be a good fit if they don't. You'll also need to check your lender's prepayment privileges. The more limited they are, the less benefit you'll see. Number three, if rates drop, withdraw funds from your home equity line of credit to prepay your mortgage. This allows you to pay down a portion of your fixed rate mortgage when the rates drop. Number four, you convert that portion into a lower fixed rate. Your lender should allow you to lock in the portion you've prepaid at the new lower rate. And number five, repeat. If rates drop again, each time rates fall, you can shift another portion of your mortgage into a lower rate, gradually reducing your overall interest cost without breaking your mortgage. But here's the catch. Not every lender will allow this. Some have strict prepayment limits, and others won't let you lock in the home equity line of credit portion. That's why working with a mortgage broker who understands this strategy and has access to lenders that support it is crucial. When we come back, I'm going to walk you through an example of how this would work in real life. Real estate investing does not have to be a full-time job. Randall, Hoeber, and Boys Group Realty provide complete property management services in Yorkton and surrounding areas, allowing investors to enjoy passive income without the headaches of day-to-day management. From finding tenants to handling maintenance and rent collection, Whether you own a property or are just getting started in the market, Randall Hoeber and Boys Group Realty makes it simple. Call Randall Hoeber at 306-782-1323 or email info@ralixenterprises.com to take the next step towards hands-free real estate investing. Your property, our expertise. Whether it's your home, business, or farm, Pioneer Solar and Renewables has you covered. As leaders in residential, commercial, and agriculture solar solutions, they make clean energy easy and affordable. Visit pioneersolarenergy.com or give them a call to begin harnessing the power of the sun today. Are you investing in real estate? Let Krishna with Boys Group Realty take care of everything. Finding properties, purchasing, renovations, leasing, and management, leaving you to focus on building wealth. Whether it's a single rental or an entire portfolio, serving Saskatoon and surrounding areas, helping maximize cash flows and minimize stress. If you're looking for an expert to manage your investments, reach out today, home@meetkrishna.ca. All right, let's go through an example of how, let's say Fred, one of my clients, used this strategy to drastically reduce his interest cost and put more money back in his pocket. Fred has a $500,000 mortgage at 4.49% fixed on a 30-year amortization. In this scenario, after a 1 year, interest rates drop to 3%. His lender allows him to prepay up to 20% of his original mortgage balance. Fred has access to a home equity line of credit, which he uses to withdraw $100,000 and prepay a portion of his mortgage. He then locks that $100,000 into a new fixed term at 3%. Over the next 4 years, Fred saves $11,715 in interest. By using the Cascade strategy, Fred didn't have to break his mortgage. He avoided penalties, lowered his effective interest rate to 3.7% instead of being stuck at 4.49%. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but can I actually do this with my mortgage? The answer is quite possibly. If your bank doesn't allow this flexibility, you could be stuck. If you don't have a home equity line of credit or your lender has strict prepayment limits, this strategy might not work. But if you work with the right lender and right mortgage broker, your mortgage could be structured properly and you can set yourself up for real savings. That's where I come in. I work with lenders who support this strategy, and I can help you structure your mortgage properly so you're not at the mercy of rising and falling rates or banking specialists who don't understand how to save you money. The Saskatchewan Realtors Association supports over 1,700 realtors across the province. Their members provide expert insights to help you navigate the market. Visit sra.ca for monthly stats, industry updates, and to find a realtor near you. If you are renewing soon, or even if you just renewed but want to see if you can make this work, please book a call. The best part of working with me is there are no special fees. I don't charge for assisting with your mortgage renewal. You can either confirm that your situation is as good as it gets, or we can move you to a new lender and set you up for success. My contact details are in the description of this episode. Reach out and let's put more money back in your pocket. Thanks for tuning in to the Saskatchewan Real Estate Podcast. Do you need help with your next real estate transaction? Whether you're buying your first home, refinancing, or investing in real estate, I am here to help you navigate the mortgage process in both Saskatchewan and Alberta, or connect you to a trusted professional. Feel free to send me an email at ron@ronqmortgage.ca or use the booking link to schedule a time to chat. Until next week, I'm Ron Quaroni, your Saskatchewan mortgage professional. Bye for now.